everyone, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you 3 high-end DIYs to glam and beautify your home. Anyone can do these easy and fun craft projects. So without further ado, let's get to crafting. I'm going to adjust my camera so you can see. First, you will need one of these large, I did not get this at the Dollar Tree, this I picked up at Goodwill, and it's one of the large, I call them fishbowl candle holders. And you will need one of these flower vases, and I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. And what you do first is sit that down in there. Get you a thing of fairy lights. You can get them at the Dollar Tree and also on Shop Miss A. They have them on there for $1 too. Now, which end's going to be your back, just sit the batteries there and push these down in there. Well, first let's go ahead and I'm getting ahead of myself here, so just bear with me. Okay, and just make sure that's straight. Now these are the acrylic gems. The white ones were, or the clear ones, and I have a pack of red and blue ones too. And now put your lights down in the little area you have between the vases. And make sure you have enough to where the batteries sit flat behind it. I love these little fairy lights. They just glam up and brighten up any little project and area. They look good on shelves too with your flowers. I'll do a home tour in the next couple weeks and let you all see what I'm talking about. And now you need some of these candles. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, but I bought mine online. And that's it for one of the projects. That's what it looks like with the lights on and off. I think they're just gorgeous. Okay, let me turn it back off and set this aside. Now the next one, you can get these mason jars with or without the handles. And I prefer them with the handles. And all you need now is another one of these candles. Go ahead and turn it on before you lean it sideways so it doesn't drop. And there's another one. Now you can't really get the fairy lights down in there because you can on the bigger mason jars, which I'll show you in a minute. And I did not turn that one on. Okay, I mean this is such a simple, easy craft project. Even your kids or grandkids can do it. If they have sleepovers, you can have a little craft project for them. You could do these. Let me set these off to the side. And then you will need a very large mason jar. And go ahead and put a candle down in it. And now I picked up these glass gems. I have green ones and multicolored ones. This is what the green looks like. And these are the multicolored ones. Just open them up. It's going to be noisy. And you can go 2 bags of multicolor or solid colors, or you can do 1 bag of multicolors and solid colors like I'm doing. And try to get them to go down in there all the way around. Okay, now just shake it, make it straight. Now get you another one of those fairy lights and put it, make sure the mason jar sign is facing away from you. Put these fairy lights down in here. The end wants to stick out, but you have to kind of push it. Make it go around the candle and not get stuck on your fingers. And you could actually use 2 on here. Let me turn the lights on and just play around with them. You can even put, I don't have the tape with me, but you can tape this to the back and make the strings go farther down inside. And if they're all off on one side, just grab hold of them and push them around on the other side of the candle. Now I got them and they're not in the front. There we go. Alright, and there's this one. Let me grab the other 2. I'm just going to grab one of these. Let me turn these on. And that one. Okay, that's it. These are the projects. Now, if you want, you can glam them up even more. Well, I think before I say that's it, I'm going to get some of this. Let me see if it'll go all the way around. Okay, can't use the gold. Now, these come from the Dollar Tree. And they have these zigzag pink ones. Let me just see which ones I have. I think I'm going to use these pink ones right here. You grab my scissors. That's all you need for this is the jewel. These are called jewel border stickers. In the Crafter Square section. Let me go ahead and show it to you so you know what to look for. Okay. And it's best to start at in the front. Let me bring this back a little. I want to get it all the way to the top. Let me turn it around so I can see what I'm doing. Leave that over there. Just start as close to the top as you can. And make sure it doesn't curve down. Keep pushing it upward, because where this dips in, it's going to want to go down. But just do it like that right there. Make sure of that. Now rub your hands over these, because they tend to not stick if you don't push them down. Now, I'm going to use a small strip, show you how to stick it right next to it. And if it does go down a little, just pull it back off and push it upward. Alrighty. Let me push this. Okay. Now do the same for this. Just move your out of the way, your little fairy lights. Bear with me, I'm doing this backwards so y'all can see. And I've never done it backwards before. Okay. Alright, now get it close to the other side here, the other end. And then now take the end, bring it upward, push down, push that back down in there, put that on the back. Now that's what that looks like, but I don't think the mason jars that this little jewel stickers, I don't think it would look good with the mason jars, but now if you get something else, you can even get ribbon and put it around it, you know, tie a bow, or you can get ribbon and glue it around it. But this is what they look like, and that's all you need is the few little items that I showed you. And you can get some of the candles at the Dollar Tree. If not, you can go online and order them. Amazon sells, I think, like 3 in a pack, different sizes, for like $15. Or you can get all different sizes in a big box, and they're like $25. You just have to get on there and do a search and look. Okay, until next time, y'all have a good day. Thank y'all for stopping by.